BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis since the price was here, we mentioned about how we can look for trade. That's why I mentioned if you want to look for trade by having a trade above the top, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. If the price tag, this is not moving, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. We have at least 3 to 4 hours to take with the trade in the break even. Okay, because I mentioned the way if the price turn to a corrective move in relative to this sharp move, we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. Now we want to see what's the next. Anyway, we start with the daily chart. And based on daily chart, we have been looking for continuation. The only things as we mentioned, we can expect to get the deeper correction similar to what we have here. I mentioned with the breakout of 800, we can look for 907 following by 1050. This is the target based on daily chart we have been looking for. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. But how deep this correction can be, if the price break the lowest price, we can expect the price drop to 635 following by 620. Okay, the best things is we see the reversal, we do the breakout of this zone, because if the price broke 620, even we can expect the price drop to 540. Okay, but this is the levels we're looking for, and we can expect the price to drop before we get the reversal. It doesn't mean we have to wait for the price to retest the previous low before we get the reversal. I will explain based on 1 hour chart why. But if you're looking for this levels, it does mean we're looking for this one as an internal flat following by the last wave. Okay, because mostly if the price break the lowest price, which is 644.7, we can look for the divergence. If we get the divergence, it can give us really good trade result. But at this point, since we get this down move, but the price didn't retest the previous low, we cannot refer to the indicators based on, I mean, we cannot refer for the divergence simply because of this shadow. Because some of the traders, they consider, if they consider this shadow, that means they cannot look for the divergence. But if we don't consider this shadow, that means we can put these two relative to each other and we can look for the divergence. That's why I mentioned we don't need to wait for the price to retest or tag or break the previous low before we get the reversal. For sure, if the price could break the previous low and drop to somewhere around 635, any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation following by divergence. This is the best. But if we get any reversal as a short move flag from here, we will take the trade. Okay, by the way, we don't see any trade setup for buy. The best things is we see the continuation with the breakout of the previous low before we take the next trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.